Hi everyone, welcome to Propel Guru's YouTube channel. Today we are going to cover one of the most booming topic in the social media ecosystem, which is this new AI tool called Chat GPT. I hope you've heard about the same. I'm sure not everybody of you have got a chance to go and see the tool, but we were one of the lucky people who got a chance to how to operate Chat GPT, to go and ask questions about from this chatbot. And it has literally made the social media marketers' life so easy. So what we did now is that we asked some random questions to our team members out there about anything which is in their mind about this tool, and if there's any question which they want us to ask ChatGPT. It could be as silly as possible. I'm pretty sure we got some silly answers as well. So let us go and check out from our team members what questions do they have. So hi Vaibhav.
Hello.
So Vaibhav, have you heard about ChatGPT?
Yeah, been using it.
Oh, all right, that's nice. So any random question which you would like to ask the AI?
Write me email pitch for Air France.
Which animal is the biggest party animal?
How to get sick leave when I am not sick.
I think I would want to ask, how can I get all the dogs in the world?
Why my balance sheet not matching?
Yeah, so can Siri and Alexa be the next Romeo and Juliet?
After asking these questions, I'm pretty sure that we do have some actually very silly questions to ask ChatGPT. Let us see if ChatGPT can also give us the answers to them. So I've got the chits of all the questions which our team members have said, and the lucky 3 of them will get the answers from ChatGPT. So let's see the first question. Okay, so the question is, what animal is the biggest party animal? Let's see what ChatGPT says about this. So the answer is loading, and apparently, okay, so even this bot takes some time, but I'm pretty sure not much as we do. Alright, so the answer is that there is no definitive answer to the question, as it is very subjective. Different animals may be considered the biggest party animal depending on the context or perspective. Very diplomatic, I must say. Some people may consider elephants or monkeys to be the biggest party animals, while others may think of birds like parrots or peacocks. Thank you. So the next question we have got is, how can I get all the dogs of this world? So the answer is, it is not possible or ethical to own all the dogs in the world. Each dog has its own unique needs and deserves to live in a loving and responsible home. Additionally, owning that much dogs would be logistically and financially impossible for one person to handle, especially
2,000 years later.
I would say that is an amazing answer. So the next question is by our finance team, and the question is, why is the balance sheet not matching? Let us see what ChatGPT says about this. There could be several reasons why your balance sheet is not matching. A balance sheet is a financial statement that shows the company's assets, liabilities, and equity. It's important to seek professional help if you're not able to resolve the issue by yourself. Alright, I think that's much more about the hype that ChatGPT has at the moment. Apparently, I feel the tool is quite accurate and balanced. I think it really solves the life of us as social media marketers. I wonder where ChatGPT is taking us in the content space. Let's stay connected and let's see where ChatGPT is going. Please stay tuned to Propel Guru's YouTube channel to take the recent updates on this tool, where it is approaching, and what is the vision of ChatGPT in 2023. Thank you so much for staying with us in this video. We look forward to see you again in the next videos. Please like, share, comment, and let us know if in case there's any question which you couldn't figure out and you couldn't access to ChatGPT, because we have the access. We'll get you there. Thank you.